Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. I am here to share two things with you. One, you already know that day before yesterday, I posted a story regarding a random thing that I did that showed me great results. So it's time for me to share with you that random thing that I tried day before yesterday, which just absolutely blew my mind. So, I just woke up and randomly I picked a product which is the sesame or sesame oil from Vaseegrah Veda. Now this is the pure sesame oil. I think this is the black version. Like there is black and white, if I'm not wrong. So yeah, I think this is the black sesame oil. I just used it on my face and I kept it, I don't know, maybe for 1 or 2 hours, and my skin was so bright. I don't know, I absolutely loved the results of this. If you know that in Ayurveda, I think every oil out there is made up of sesame oil as base or the coconut oil, but most times it's sesame oil because it has the property to penetrate into your skin. This is the number one oil according to Ayurveda that will easily penetrate into the skin. So that's why people suggest to use sesame oil for your body, oil massages and stuff. And this is very inexpensive. Now this one was sent to me by Kirtu. Thank you so much. So she's the one who made me try this. So I used it. I think this is under 200 rupees. The MRP is not mentioned here, but I have checked it on the website few days back, so I know that it's under 200. It's such a gem, you guys. Please try it and let me know. And also some people ask me good products that you can use under 300 or 200. I think you should definitely give this a try. Look at the size. It's so huge. It will last for maybe 8 months if you're using it just for your face. If you're using it for the body, I think 3 months you can use it, or just 2. It's very, very good. Please try it and let me know.